Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Miss Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is Story Time. It's our early literacy program for preschoolers 2.5 to 5. Today, we are going to be reading this very silly book. It's called Colors versus Shapes. So in keeping with our math theme, we are going to work on our shape vocabulary, and we're also going to do some fun color vocabulary. So let's get started with a good morning song. It goes like this. Hi, hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, how are you? How are you today? Good job, guys. Let's sing it again together. Here we go. Hi, hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, how are you? How are you today? I hope you are having a beautiful day. Let's start with some counting. So, can you show me your left hand, one finger on your left hand, and one finger on your right hand? Yes. Okay. So we have 1 and 1. We put them together. How many is that? 2. Good job. Hide them behind your back. Here we go. 1 from the left and 1 from the right. Met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called the whoop-de-doo. Woo, 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 woo. Change directions. Woo, 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 woo. Good job. Then they waved goodbye and they walked away. Those 2, hide them behind your back. All right, can you show me 2 fingers on your left hand and 2 fingers on your right hand? Good job. How many is that all together? 2 plus 2 is 4. Good job, guys. Hide them behind your back. Here we go. 2 from the left and 2 from the right. Met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called Snips Galore. Snip, 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 snip. Good job. Then they waved goodbye and they walked away. Those 4. Nice job. All right, show me 3 fingers on your right hand and 3 fingers on your left hand. How many is that all together? Let's count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Hide them all behind your back. 3 from the left and 3 from the right. Met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called the bend and straight. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. Good job. Then they waved goodbye and they walked away. Those 6. So that didn't rhyme because I got the verse wrong. So that was supposed to be the finger mix rhymes with 6. Yes. Let's try this. Good job, guys. That's the finger mix, which rhymes with 6. Remember we talked about rhymes, words that sound a lot alike? So that was my mistake. All right, so hide them all behind your back. Okay. And then show me 4 fingers on your left hand and 4 fingers on your right hand. How many is that all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hide them all behind your back. Here we go. 4 from the left and 4 from the right. Met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called bend and straight. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. Then they waved goodbye and they walked away. Those 8. So, good job, guys. We got a lot of practice with that one. So, bend and straight rhymes with 8. All right. Show me 5 fingers on your right hand. 5 fingers on your left hand, 5 fingers on your right hand. Good job. How many is that all together? I bet you know this one. Yes, you do. Good job. 10 fingers. Hide them all behind your back. Here we go. 5 from the left, and 5 from the right. Met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called clap, 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 and clap again. Then they waved goodbye, and they walked away. All 10. Good job, guys. All right. So let's think about some colors. Where's my rainbow? Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? I saw a double rainbow last week. There was one rainbow right on top of another one. It was so cool. So the next time you see a rainbow, see if you can look for all of the colors. And there are 7 different colors in this rainbow. Wow. So what's the one on the very top? Red. Good job, guys. All right, and then what's this one? Orange. Yum, oranges. What comes next? Yellow, like sunshine. And then what color is this one? Green. Green like plants. And what comes next is blue like the sky. This one's pretty tricky. This one right here. It's a purpley blue color, and it's called indigo. Indigo. And this one on the inside is violet or purple. So 7 different colors in our rainbow. Let's sing a rainbow colored song, and then we'll get out our shapes. All right, so it goes like this. First comes red and orange too, shiny yellow, green and blue. Purple ends the pretty rays, only seen on rainy days. Hey, that's the same tune as our hello song. Let's try it all again. Here we go. First comes red and orange too, shiny yellow, green and blue. Purple ends the pretty rays, only seen on rainy days. Good job, guys. All right, let's get out our shapes. So, I have some shapes here. Do you know what shape this? What is this first? It's a piece of pizza, right? I was looking at this yesterday and it was making me hungry. Not a real piece of pizza. Too bad. What shape is this piece of pizza? Do you know? It has, how many sides does it have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 sides. Good job. And how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3 corners. Do you know what this is called? It's a triangle. Let's see if we can find any other triangles. Hey, here's an orange triangle. It even says triangle on it. Ooh, and this is a street sign. It says yield. That's a triangle too. So take a second, guys. Do you see any triangles in your house? Hi, Canicus. Good morning. Do you see any triangles at your house? Take a look around, see if you can find one. All right, here we go. Here's our shape song. Do you know what shape this is? Shape this is, shape this is. Do you know what shape this is? And do you have one too? If you do, then give a shake, give a shake, give a shake. If you do, then give a shake and shout hooray for triangles. Good job, guys. Fantastic. All right. What shape is this? We were just talking about oranges. Oranges are so yummy, aren't they? Oranges are delicious. What shape is this orange? It's a circle. Good job. Take a look around. See if you can find any circles. Look, here's a button. This one is really, really big, but if you have a button on your pants, I bet that's a circle. Here is a basketball. Basketballs and soccer balls are circles. Baseballs and tennis balls. Footballs are not circles, but most of them are circles. All right. So if you found a circle, let's sing it. Here we go. Do you know what shape this is? Shape this is. Shape this is. Do you know what shape this is? And do you have one too? If you do, then give a shake. Give a shake. Give a shake. If you do, then give a shake and shout hooray for circles. Good job, guys. All right, one more. One more. This is a brownie. Yum. This story time is making me hungry. What shape is the brownie, guys? It's a square. Hey, let's take a look at our circle. So how many corners does our circle have? Trick question. No corners at all. How many corners does our square have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How many corners does our triangle have? Do you remember? 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 corners and a square has 4. All right, did you find a square at your house? All right, take a second, see if you can find a square. Maybe, I'm trying to think. So if you have a book around, that is probably a rectangle, which is a lot like a square because it has 4 corners, but the sides are not the same length. So if you have a book, actually this book kind of is a square. It's pretty close to the same sides, all 4. All right, did you find your square? Let's sing it. Here we go. Do you know what shape this is? Shape this is. Shape this is. Do you know what shape this is? And do you have one too? If you do, then give a shake. Give a shake. Give a shake. If you do, then give a shake and shout hooray for squares. Nice job, guys. Awesome. Let's read this book. So we met squares, triangles, and circles today. But when we read this book, Colors versus Shapes by Mike Boldt, we are going to see so many exciting new shapes. So many, guys. Let's read it. They are all getting ready to put on a talent show. Team 1, that's the colors. Please take the stage. Team 2 is the shapes. So, do you see a circle? Good. And how about some triangles? Like I see a couple of triangles up here, right? And I think this one is a square. He's just tipped with a point up instead of a side up. Let's read it. Hi, we're Colors. So, Colors, why should this book be about you? Oh, they're fighting over who gets to be in the book. Well, we're going to show you how great shapes are. The shapes have barged in. What? Okay, shapes, you're supposed to wait your turn. Clearly, we're going to win this contest, so this book will be about us. So you may as well just skip those fellas. That was kind of rude. Wait. You're seriously thinking that you're more talented than us? This book is already square. How can we lose? Well, my primary pals are here going to set you straight. Let's see what you've got. I like where this is going. So, these are the primary colors. And the reason that they're called primary is because you can make all of the colors by mixing together these three colors. So what are those three colors? Those three primary colors. This guy is red, blue, and yellow. For starters, step back as blue and yellow mix it up. What do you get when you mix blue and yellow together? What color is this? Green. Yes. Hello, green. Envious. Hardly. Gaze upon some real talent as these two triangles trampoline into a square. Oh my goodness, what just happened? So, two triangles on the trampolines, and they bounced and they stuck together and they made a square. Wow. So, there's two triangles in every square? So it's like every square you could cut it in half. Let's take a look at our brownie. Do you see how we could cut our brownie in half and make a brownie that's a triangle? Which tastes better, square brownies or triangle-shaped brownies? This is an experiment. You should try it. Don't get dizzy as red high dives not once, but twice. First into a bucket of yellow and then into a bucket of blue, making a big splash with secondary pals, orange and purple. So, red mixed with some yellow and made orange, and then red mixed with some blue to make purple. Not bad, but enough of the baby stuff. Take cover as we add a few more sides. Pentagon and hexagon explode into the scene. Wow, they fired them out of a cannon. All right. So, remember we talked about a square and how many sides it has and how many corners it has? Do you remember? 4 corners and 4 sides on a square. So, remember that. Let's take a look at the pentagon. Okay. How many corners does the pentagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides do you think the pentagon has? Do you have a guess? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So a pentagon has 5 corners and 5 sides, and a square had 4 corners and 4 sides, and a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. And this one is a hexagon, and a hexagon has 6 corners and 6 sides. Do you think we could just keep going like that and we could make shapes with more corners and more sizes? More sides? Do you think that you could make a shape with maybe 10 corners and 10 sides? Yep, you can just keep going. You should try drawing some of those. That would be fun. We are not done yet. Look out for pink, turquoise, and maroon. Amber, violet, shades of jade. We have more too. Heptagon, octagon, nonagon, star, rhombus, irregular polygons. Oh my, so many shapes. No! Stop! Oh, they collided. Oh boy, I wonder what's going to happen. Look at what happened. What is that? Does that shape look familiar? That red shape? It's the same shape as a stop sign, isn't it? Same color, too. Ooh, wow. This gives me an idea. What do you think about? Love it. I was thinking the same thing. Hey, they've got an idea. Okay, rectangles, we need you over to the right side. Did we mention triangles? Hold up, orange. Let's put yellow and green together first. We want a nice lime color. Circle here, ellipse here. Now, we need some cool colors. The order is green, blue, indigo. Is this working? Yes. Perfect. Look what they made. Wow. What colors do you see? Do you see any yellow? The sun is yellow. Good job. What color are these mountains? Purple. And the big red fire truck. Good job. What shapes do you see? What shapes do you see? Well, there's a star. Good job. What is the shape of the roof of these houses? It's a triangle, yes, on top of a rectangle. Ooh, let's look at the sun again. Do you see how the sun could be made of a circle with a lot of triangles sticking out of it? Yeah. That's a fun way to draw a circle, or to draw a sun. You can draw a circle, and then you can draw some triangles on the outside for the sunbeams. Pretty cool, huh? The whole world. There's so many shapes and so many colors. So this is your challenge. Head outside, look around your house, see what you can find, what colors and shapes you can find. Well, that was interesting. Colors, you score a perfect 10. Shapes, your score is an A+. And I give 2 thumbs up to the winner and star of this book. Colors and shapes. And that's the end. This neat book is available for checkout in Kids Place. And now it's time to say goodbye to our friends. So we have a goodbye song that is the goodbye version of our hi, hello, how are you? So let's sing it now. It goes like this. Thanks, goodbye, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Thanks, goodbye, see you soon, see you on Wednesday. Let's do it again. Here we go. Thanks, goodbye, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Thanks, goodbye, see you soon, see you next Wednesday. I will see you next Wednesday at 10:30, guys. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.